Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to add thinking effect in CapCut. First you need to drag your video onto the timeline, and after that click the stickers on the top menu bar and search thought bubble. Hit enter and you will find multiple styles of the thought bubble. Select anyone which you like. For example, I like this one. Click on this plus icon, paste onto the timeline, adjust the scale or size wherever you want to and place it onto the screen where you want to. After that, go to the animation and go to the third tab, logo, and click on the swing. It will move like this one. You can adjust the speed to increase or decrease as per your requirement from the speed timeline. And here you can see that this is much better. The next step is go to the text, click on the default text and adjust onto the thought bubble, and in the default text type the desired word you want to put in. For example, my sweet daughter. Adjust the font size and color, drag it, I think I need to increase the letter size. You can give some pattern, and you can also choose the upper or lower case and give some character spacing. You can also give some strokes. Choose the color of strokes. Increase or decrease the thickness of the strokes. Once you're satisfied with your customization of the text, now let's play it how it looks. So now let's play how it looks. Yes, this is much better, and I hope you understand how you can do that. And if you think this video helps you to understand how to add the thinking bubble effect, so please support my channel. Thanks for watching.